Holy fuck. Oh. Yo, let's get it. Oh, it's the boy, John. Let's get it! We got Kenny at the cut! Let's get it! Let's get it! Yo, Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
No.
Let's get it!
Yo, New Year, new me. New Year, new me.
Nah, there is no New Year, new me.
Yeah. New Year, same me.
Jeez. Kenny, New Year, new me? New Year, new me? What a faggot. Former New Year, new me? New Year, new tears.
Yo, no, see, New Year,
Facts?
new me. I'm finally gonna beat Wilmer at Tekken consistently. That's what's gonna
Bro,
happen.
I'll destroy this guy in fucking Tekken, bro.
Yo, okay, then run the Tekken right now.
Alright, yo.
I'll whoop you. Oh, word?
Bro, you weren't supposed
gonna
to say that, bro.
Oh shit, my bad.
Guy fucked
I
up.
still am gonna whoop his ass. Let's do this.
Let's get it. No, chill, bro. We're cooking noodles still. Yeah, oh, we got some fucking popsicle, boy. We got that fucking volcano, boy. Yo, what happened to the tub?
Oh, it's in the freezer.
No, it's not. Oh, no, it's not.
Oh, any mention of Ashley, cut that out, please.
Are you okay?
Who the fuck puts ice cream in the fucking fridge?
Oh, my bad. I was trying. My bad.
No, he put it in the fridge, not the freezer.
I accidentally put.
What an idiot.
My bad.
Jeez. Anyways, we're gonna get this fucking day cooking. Let's get it. I'm throwing the shit in there.
Yeah.
Oh
John.
fuck.
John.
Oh shit.
Fun fact.
I feel like he's already gonna fuck it up.
Fun fact. That's how big it is in real life.
Shut up.
Let me put my pinky.
It's okay, I'm the only one that saw it.
Is there more accurate?
Alright, yo, how many were you
Ashley,
doing?
fun fact.
Yo, man.
Alright,
Fun fact.
Just two.
Fun fact. My dick is shaped like a skeleton piece, son.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Alright, we're doing two? And the other two, bro? Yo, I'm doing a giveaway. Alright,
Who
yo.
wants ramen? Leave a comment.
Yo, we eat
Like,
good.
share, and comment the video if you want ramen.
Yo, I don't know why.
He's already messing it up. He's already messing.
How am I
How is it that you're a fucking chink and you don't know how to make noodles?
Damn. Welcome in
Oh,
the kitchen
okay, you can't be in
today.
it?
Welcome to the kitchen today. Right now we are in the middle of cooking the water with the noodles.
Just ruining it.
Yeah, I'm so fucking. Stop looking for.
Alright, yo. Jeez.
All right, no, it's nearly ready to break apart.
If you look really closely, you can see all the children that had to die making this.
Yo, let's start a GoFundMe for China.
Oh, that is rancid. Is that what you put in this shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fucking nasty, dude.
That's all spice, my guy.
My guy, my dude,
My guy pal.
my guy friend.
My pal
Should
guy.
I just put the sauce right on top of the noodles after you drain them?
Facts.
Facts. Yeah, she got it there.
Yo, man's not hot.
Boom, pop, pop. Skr. No? Okay.
Scooter papa.
The woman should get in the kitchen. Hey, you're offside. Get inside so you can be in bounds. Right now you're out of bounds.
Actually, can we film your feet so people know you're not in the kitchen?
You're not in the kitchen.
That'd be wildly offensive.
Alright, yo.
Me.
John in the kitchen, you know. Kitchen 101. Gotta stir it up. Jeez. Oh. Yeah, you know, you gotta stir it up, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I think it's good now, eh?
No means no lessons.
Yes.
All know what it is.
Bruh. Are you? Bruh. You're stupid.
Yo, let's put wine in it.
Chill, bro. We gotta dump it out afterwards.
Yo, wine adds flavoring, don't worry.
Nah, dude, you're actually not doing it.
It's pretty bad. We can put avocados in it, shit.
Ah, chill, bro. We're not putting avocado.
Leave your favorite noodles in
Alright, yo,
the
we
comments
gotta-
below.
Alright, I'm gonna set you guys over here. You know what I'm saying? Set you guys over here. Jesus Christ.
What do you think is better, Chuck E. Cheese or fucking David
Oh.
Buster's?
I don't know. It depends. You know, there's a lot of guests. Okay, so here's the thing about DMB.
fucking videos.
Here's the thing about DMB, okay? At DMB, you get a lot of stupid ass guests, right? Right.
Right.
They complain about everything. Half the games are down. Half the games don't even work. Blah blah blah. So fucking annoying.
What a joke.
What a fucking joke.
Need a straightener, man? Fuck. Jesus Christ, you fucking Cro-Magnon. Ah, motherfucker! Fuck you! God damn it!
What happened?
What do you think? You poured hot water on me, you cunt! It's scalding water. What the fuck do you expect?
It wasn't me, I swear, yo.
Did you mess up straining?
No, but I think he didn't make enough.
There's only 2.
That is enough. That's 2.
That's 2?
Sure that's 2?
This looks like 1.
That's 2, bro.
Sure, whatever. Just
Did you not see me dump it in the fucking thing?
5 minutes later.
What? Now we're fucking here. All right, you know.
So we should do one with an empty bowl and one with a full bowl. Be like,
Yo, I'm actually kind of scared.
it's like,
So,
all right.
man's are hot.
Did you get the smallest bowl because you were scared?
I told John to fucking clean this and I can still see like shit from it. Fuck
Yeah. What is this? Like, yeah.
Alright.
Why is there black shit?
All right, yo, cheers. Cheers.
All right. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, boys. All right, yo, let's get it. Oh, fuck me. Oh, oh my God. Oh, oh.
Oh fuck.
It's not bad still. There's some heat, but it's not bad.
Yo, just wait. Oh, fuck. All right.
Oh yeah, the reason why I'm not struggling and these guys are is I'm African, so yeah.
Already? Jesus.
Holy fuck. Oh. Yo, let's get it.
Just get back in my country we consider this good eating. Just saying.
Support the family in Africa.
Honestly, we should do something very.
You're African?
Yeah.
Gross.
No, yo, he's Jamaican.
Jamaican. It's 2018, Kenny. You can't say that. I've said that like 80 times today.
Holy fuck.
I'll be honest. I really thought John was gonna mess this up, but it's not a bad taste.
Fuck.
You good, Kenny?
It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, like
It's pretty good.
It's fucking spicy, don't get me wrong, but it's actually not that bad.
Oh, fuck me.
You're a pussy.
Oh, it fucking lingers though. Holy shit.
I guess I am a pussy.
I guess you are what you eat. Spicy noodles.
Yo, throwback to when my cousin was like, "Hey mom, can I have some gum?" We give him fucking mint gum. He eats it, and the man's like, "Yo, it's too spicy." Yo, it's a real story.
Too real.
Like, too real.
So where's my water? How come I can't get any water? Oh, thanks.
Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, I thought the milk would help. It doesn't.
Ooh, we have to have some ice cream after, guys.
Oh my god. Why is it still hurting?
I'm actually okay, but I would like my ice cream.
I'm okay, but can I have ice cream?
Yeah, because I bought this cookies and cream because the restaurant we went to on Wednesday didn't have any more cookies and cream ice cream. I was very upset.
You want cookies and cream because you like to keep it creamy, daddy.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so overall, what do we think about that?
It's so good.
It's really good.
It's so tasty.
Yeah, look. We finished the bowl. I thought it was really good.
Yeah, you know.
Right? Everyone else thought it was really good?
It's good. But fuck.
Let me guess.
My lips are burning. My tongue hurts. Fuck.
Grab 3. Why are you grabbing one?
One for me. I thought you guys were eating the popsicles. No?
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Where's that third spoon? Kenny, you want a spoon?
Holy fuck.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're bitches.
Here you go.
Oh god.
I thought it was really good. Like I think like spice aside, actually you know what, spice is really good too. Like cause the one thing about the spices is that you don't want to run into a situation where it's like Tabasco sauce and it's just like spice and no taste. Sorry, Tabasco. Right?
This is sponsored by Tabasco.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It tastes like shit.
But at the same time, you know, you want some actual spice in
It's
there.
not cold enough.
You want some actual spice in there. So, you know.
Holy. Yo, my fucking mouth is burning.
Man, I really love cookies and cream ice cream.
Well,
Are you guys still dying? Like, what's your problem?
I fucking am.
I am.
Did you want to cook the rest? Is that what you're
Yes, actually, that would be great. Can you cook the rest?
Oh, just if she's a girl, you want her to fucking cook the rest of it?
Yes, actually. That'd be lovely. Put her in her place.
Whoa. Whoa, no.
Don't worry. Michael, it's 2018. You can't say that.
Good job.
Don't be stealing our fucking ice cream.
What, because she's a girl, she can't have some ice cream?
Facts.
It's a good point. It's a good point. It's a good point.
I'll be a good boy.
Alright, you know what? I don't know what.
This is brought to you by water. Africans don't have it, that's why it's good.
Yeah. Hold on, Michael. Don't worry, I got it. It's 2018, Kenny. You can't say that.
Hold on, Michael, I got it. It's 2017.
Like you said earlier.
You can't say that.
Fuck.
Don't worry. We'll edit like we said from New Year's and then New Year's Day passed. Because going by John's last vlog,
What?
nothing happened at the last New Year's party.
A lot of things happen.
Yeah, but you didn't film it. So what's the problem?
Because.
This video is brought to you by suffering.
Just suffered. Weren't you eating ice cream?
Eat some.
I'm good.
Well, I guess this concludes.
I keep expecting it to go down in terms of spice. Like,
Oh yeah, that's the one thing about spice. It never
it
goes
fucking
away.
lingers. Jesus
Yeah, it doesn't go
Christ.
Woo! Yo, Kenny, your washing would be nice right now.
I want to think about that.
This video is brought to you by Defiling Wilmer's Washroom.
Yo, there's too many sponsorship going on. I'm not even getting sponsored.
Is this gonna be the entire video just brought like sponsored by?
I guess.
This video is brought to you by mirrors. It lets you look at yourself.
Well,
This video is brought to you by Mirrors. It lets you see the real you. Fucking ugly and disgusting.
We're talking to you, fat ass. Look at yourself in the mirror, you fat fuck.
this is brought to you by Seta. You can't spell beautiful without BU. Alright, I guess this concludes our video. Roll the outro.
Stop saying that.